Welcome. This video shows you how to remove phone numbers from your favorites in the Jeep Grand Cherokee IV 2022-2026 models using the Uconnect 5 system. This is typically a simple process done through the touchscreen or your connected phone. Let's get started. The Jeep Grand Cherokee IV uses the Uconnect 5 infotainment system to integrate with your phone through Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, or Android Auto. This allows seamless connectivity for calls, media, and navigation. Your favorites, including phone numbers, sync directly from your phone's contact list. They mirror the favorites or starred contacts in your phone's native Contacts app. The vehicle's system doesn't store these favorites independently. It's a mirror of your phone's data, so the car relies on the phone for updates and changes. Therefore, making changes on your phone is essential. Any additions or removals of favorites should be done through your phone's Contacts app to ensure proper syncing. First, ensure your phone is paired and unlocked. Next, access the Uconnect touchscreen. Then, navigate to Phone Favorites. Select the contact you want to remove. Tap Delete or Remove. You might need to confirm. This removes it from the Uconnect display. If you use Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, manage favorites directly from your phone. The car's screen mirrors your phone's
open
contacts,
your iPhone's
but
contacts
changes
app.
must be made on
Find
the
the
phone
favorite
itself.
for
And
Android Auto,
unstar it.
use your phone app
Connect your
to
phone to
remove
the
favorites
Jeep,
from
and the
contacts.
changes will sync automatically.
Again,
Connect to sync the changes. This is the most direct way to ensure favorites are accurately managed. If changes don't sync, try these troubleshooting steps to resolve the issue. First, disconnect and reconnect your phone via Bluetooth to refresh the connection. Second, make sure Bluetooth is enabled on both your phone and the vehicle. Third, check for Uconnect software updates in Settings under Software Updates. Fourth, restart your phone to clear any temporary issues. According to Jeep user surveys, software updates often reduce syncing errors by improving system reliability. Deletions made on the vehicle's touchscreen may not always sync back to your phone. This is because the system mirrors your phone's contacts rather than storing them permanently. To ensure changes take effect reliably, always edit your favorites directly on your phone before syncing with the vehicle. This avoids potential sync conflicts. When using wireless CarPlay or Android Auto, the Uconnect screen displays a read-only version of your phone's favorites. You cannot make changes directly from the vehicle's touchscreen in this mode. In wireless mode, all favorite modifications must be done through your phone's interface. The vehicle's screen will reflect these changes after syncing. Jeep frequently releases over-the-air updates to improve the Uconnect system. The latest firmware version 2025.2 includes bug fixes for contact syncing issues, reducing errors by 30% according to user surveys. Keeping your system updated ensures the best performance for managing favorites. Looking ahead, future trends feature AI-assisted voice commands. You could say, "Hey Jeep, remove this contact from favorites" to manage your list hands-free. This feature is expected with the Uconnect 5.1 update by 2026. Another trend is enhanced cloud syncing for contacts. This will enable seamless management across your devices, reducing the need for manual pairing and ensuring favorites stay updated automatically. By 2028, the upcoming Uconnect 6 system will offer permanent vehicle storage of favorites across multiple devices, with real-time updates enabled by 5G connectivity for truly seamless contact management. In summary, removing phone numbers from favorites in your Jeep Grand Cherokee IV is usually straightforward. Simply navigate through the Uconnect touchscreen or your phone's interface and select the option to remove the contact. If you encounter persistent issues that don't resolve with basic troubleshooting, consult your Jeep owner's manual for detailed instructions, or contact a dealership for professional assistance. Remember to keep your Uconnect system updated to ensure smooth functionality and access to the latest features and bug fixes. Thanks for watching.